The ceiling boards used in this installation can be gypsum board, fiber cement board, Hardiflex, or plywood. In this video, you will learn the proper procedure for installing these ceiling boards using a metal framing system. The video covers the entire process, from the installation of the ceiling framework up to the attachment of the ceiling boards and final completion. If you are interested in learning the step-by-step installation process, please watch this video from start to finish. Your support is greatly appreciated, so please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. In a gypsum board ceiling system, the first material to be installed is the wall angle. Before installation, the required ceiling elevation must be verified based on the approved plans. After determining the correct elevation, leveling is carried out around the entire area using appropriate surveying or leveling tools. Once the level marks are established and confirmed, the wall angle is securely fastened to the walls along the marked lines, serving as the perimeter support for the ceiling framework. After the installation of the wall angle, the carrying channel can now be installed. The carrying channel is positioned just above the wall angle. It serves as the main framework that carries the load of the ceiling system and provides support for the metal furring, where the ceiling boards will eventually be attached. Proper alignment and leveling of the carrying channels are important to ensure a stable and even ceiling installation. After the installation of the carrying channel, the hanger rods can now be installed. These hanger rods are equipped with J-clips that securely hold and support the carrying channels. The hanger rods are attached to the structural slab or roof framing and are adjusted as needed to achieve the required ceiling elevation. Their primary function is to support the carrying channels and ensure that the entire ceiling framework is properly leveled and aligned before the installation of the metal furring and ceiling boards. The metal furring is the last framing component to be installed in the ceiling system. It is attached perpendicular to the carrying channels and serves as the direct support for ceiling boards such as gypsum board or Hardiflex board. The ceiling boards are fastened to the metal furring using appropriate screws, creating a stable and uniform ceiling surface. Proper spacing and alignment of the metal furring are essential to ensure the strength, durability, and smooth finish of the completed ceiling. W-clip is a fastening accessory used in a suspended ceiling system to connect and secure the metal furring to the carrying channel. It is installed on the carrying channel, and its two ends are inserted into the metal furring to hold it firmly in place. The W-clip helps maintain the proper spacing and alignment of the metal furring, ensuring a stable and rigid ceiling framework before the installation of the ceiling boards.